Hey guys, this is Adam. Cam's behind me, getting his biscuits. And today's video was going to be really upbeat, happy, and joyful. But there's been a couple of difficulties. You probably cannot see, but you would have seen it in the intro. They have completely dismantled the main den and the little scout den on the side. Completely dismantled, not just like a couple sticks thrown about. The whole thing has been taken apart. Luckily, the sticks aren't at the bottom of the hill, they're literally just next to us. So rebuilding it won't be too difficult, thankfully. I don't know who could have done this. It could be random people or someone we know. But yeah. What's your biscuits?
Yo, if it was any of you viewers, I'm coming for you, okay? I'm not happy, and after these shortbreads, you're gonna die.
It's not just him that's coming for you. The whole cast. The whole cast. Me, Cam, Aaron, and a couple of new people who will be on very, very soon. That's it for the intro, guys. Let's get on with this video.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
It's nice to see you all again. We are going camping in the forest today, and we're gonna make some work on that den that we didn't get to do anything on last time since it rained so heavily. So yeah, we're just heading up there now. I reckon, I can't remember how long we took last time. I think it was like 20 minutes.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so we'll just keep you posted on the walk and also see you when we're there. They don't look too happy with us. I swear that's like Gypsy Bird's car.
Go up in there. Just set up a little bit.
That's really hot. Ugh.
Don't chuck it on me, boy.
We're almost there. It's just up on this hill here. So what we got to do is walk along here and then go up. Okay, we're almost there. Man, my back hurts. How about yours?
For me, it's the shoulders.
The shoulders. What about your feet?
They're all right now. They're actually so bad earlier, but now I can feel it. No.
Just gotta make it up this hill now. Ooh. Oh, my knees. So, our den's gone, I guess. Okay, everyone, we've got some mending to do. This was a den. It was in the previous video. I'll chuck a picture of what it used to look like right here. Yep, so you can see what whoever's done has done, basically. They just took all the sticks from here, bang, on there. Like, this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. Yeah, maybe.
6 or 7?
We'll have a fire, and I mean, we might have a fire. We'll decide later, but we'll get to work on rebuilding this thing for now. And then they just chucked everything. everything off instead.
You're recording now?
No, I don't know actually. I better be. Ask if I would paint it. Wait, no, wait. It's not washed very well.
Fish do.
Okay, folks, this is where we at so far. I've dug quite a lot out down there, and this is the dirt pile so far. I've kind of moved it over to this side of the den, so then it's easier to scoop out, and I'm not like hitting my head on that every 2 seconds. And then after everything's scooped out, we'll replace the logs and maybe do some work on this fire pit thing we have going here. If I had Alright, we're back up and running now. Hopefully this don't fall over again. Aiden's doing the shoveling and I'm going to remove this dirt pile. Alright. Okay, everybody. We're still digging, and Aiden just tripped. So we're still digging, but we're nearly done. We're probably over halfway, and I don't know how long we've been doing it for. Maybe like 15, 20. Yeah, we've got a lot of daylight still, and we've already done quite a bit. So after we've dug, all we need to do is just get all the sticks back on it, and then we'd be good to go. Anything to say?
Not really.
Okay, let's do this, peeps. I don't know the range on this microphone, so I might disconnect if I don't help enough. Right, we'll start here. Oh. Right, am I able to go around that side? I'll try and go up a tiny bit higher. So that, yeah, that's funny. Okay, right, see if I can make my way back over.
That's rough.
Okay, everyone. We decided not to do it there because, as you could see, the hammock didn't fit. We've set this one up, and then I've realised that I have these from my hammock, but I don't have my spare ones with me. So that means that only one of us can sleep in a hammock. And who's sleeping in a hammock?
You.
Yes, me. Because I need my beauty sleep. Aiden doesn't usually sleep anyway, so I guess it's alright. He's uncomfortable on the floor and I'm nice and snuggled up in the hammock. That was all just fake, guys. I didn't kill anyone, really.
Fell down the hill though.
Yeah, he legit fell. So I've just been chilling, having a little rest. I ate some wafers. Yeah, and Aiden's continuing over here. Now my hands are so cold. I'm having a bit of trouble moving them, so I might just have to go sit in a hammock for a bit and warm them up. I am now gonna get to work on, you know, putting some of the sticks back up on here and whatnot, and just making it basically good again. I might do a bit more shoveling, maybe, or I might just use my feet to scrape it all out. But yeah, I'm just gonna make this look a bit better. Aiden's up in a hammock having a rest. I've got the gloves on. My hands were very cold, but they're good now. Well, that was actually epic. Right. Right, we're going. Alright, what I'm going to do is bring all that wood from our previous destroyed den over to here. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go collect some ferns to put on top of here, and I'll just chuck them in a pile there. Okay, I got myself a good pile of bracken here, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shift it all on top of the den, and I'll see how much it covers, see if I need to go get more, or I guess leave some out. Let's go. that looks good to me at the moment. So I think, what should I do now? What should we get up to now? Are you doing some firewood? Right. We'll just we'll get some wood ready for a fire then. Come and sit here, saw some stuff and whatnot.
Too close to the base. Gotta go right on the top.
Got that. You wouldn't happen to have the knife that has a can opener on it, would you? Yeah. So I got this cooking here, hot dogs. Oh, there's still one in the tin. Ah, but if I can get him out, I'm having him. I don't want it. Right, I'm gonna go get some ferns for this whilst it's cooking. So what I'll do is leave that there. Yeah.
Started. Hope we can get these ferns, boy.
Oh well. Alright guys, we're in the hammock now. We've decided we're just gonna both sleep in the hammock because it's so much easier that way and we'll be able to stay warm as well. So yeah, we've had food, we've brought all of our stuff into here, which is all down there. So that's good. Yeah, we're just both chilling in here, ready to go to sleep. It's gotten quite late because we spent a while sorting stuff out and what are you doing?
God, I'm yawning. I'm actually yawning.
Yeah, we're just gonna chill for a bit and then go to sleep. So we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Right, so me and Cam just got up. It is around 6ish. 6:55. As you can see, the sun is coming up. Cam's still in the hammock, but he's always up a little bit later than me. So we're just gonna break down camp, pack most of our stuff up, eat some breakfast, and then probably get going. It is very, very cold this morning. I woke up shivering, then I tried to warm up but just couldn't, so now I've got out. We're gonna start doing some stuff and hopefully I'll warm up during. So we've just taken the tarp down, now we're gonna pack up, take the hammock down, move all of our stuff down to the den, then cook some spam and beans. If we get like a perfect sleeping bag, it'd be honey blue. My bag barely seems to fit all of what I have.
Oh yeah, your bag must be inside out.
Alright everyone, we're just gonna move down to the den and I'm gonna start getting the cooking stuff ready, and I'll wait for Aiden to finish packing everything up. Oh man, I'm gonna need to clean this cooker. It's absolutely covered in soot and it's all over my hands and it's really difficult to open, like super stiff. Yeah, that one 100% needs cleaning. Just trying to scrape some of that out. Okay everyone, this is what we have. We've got some spam and baked beans. Right, I'm just going to cut up this spam. I'm just going to do it in this tin. Sliced it one way and I'm just going to dice it after, but first of all I'll put the beans in here. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's just wipe the knife off. I might just have to dice them all the bits individually. mix that all up, make sure the sperm's in there nice, and it's all going to cook. That looks lovely. That one. And there we go.
Deanie bean.
Please. Might not have to.
Because I was going to take a seat.
Okay.
That's in that naked.
Do you reckon that's what his true plan was?
That's good.
Alright everyone, sorry about that. My phone died whilst we were recording us having breakfast, so I'm not sure what point we got to, but we've eaten breakfast and now we're packed up. My stuff's there, Aiden's stuff is by the tree. So yeah, we're all packed up, ready to go, so we're just going to get down onto the path and go back to mine. So, see you all when we're down there.
See you.
Okay everybody, we're back on the road now, so it's probably the same as yesterday, about 20 minutes back. So yeah, we'll just give you any updates if anything happens, or if we got anything to say. Okay everyone, we're just coming up on the forest exit now, so I'm going to end this video here. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and leave a comment if you so wish. Anything to say?
Have a good one.